Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to unhide a column in Microsoft List. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your list. For example, this one right here. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and hide a column right here. For example, these two. In number 1, column settings, hide. Number 2, column settings, hide. Okay. Now to unhide it, it is actually pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and click on add a column. Okay. Plus sign right here. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on this gear icon that says show or hide columns. Just click on it. Now in here, as you can see at the right pane, we have the number 1, number 2 that I just deleted. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and tick on both. All right. And if you want to, you can go ahead and tick the necessary boxes right here. For example, created by column, modified by column, attachments column. You can go ahead and tick it. Okay. Now, for example, I'm going to tick one like ID, hit on apply, wait for it to load. And as you can see here, we have number 1, number 2 back, and the new one, which is ID. Since it's ID, I'm just going to move it to the far left like so. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.